Window Explorer slows, lags, or freeze are fixed. I want to show you how to fix this issue, especially in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The issue is caused by uh, corrupted, missing, or altered system files. To solve this problem, you just need to search command cmd or command prompt. Just type cmd, then right click and run as an administrator. Yes. Then you need to type the command sfc space and then scan now. You need to type that command and hit enter. So this will take a couple of minutes. This command is a Windows utility that scans, repair corrupted, missing, or altered system using cached backup. Run it the way I've shown it. So this will help resolve the issue. It happens mostly when you're working with your computer and you realize there's a lag when you pick or select an object, or when you're working with your softwares, they are slow and you notice that something is wrong. This will fix it. So this will typically take a couple of minutes. So let us wait. Let us wait for this to finish. Depending on the speed of your computer, this will typically take 10 to 30 minutes. But I think my laptop is significant fast. I hope this to be over in a few minutes. Then after that, we are going to just restart the computer. So guys, I think we can pause the video, then we can resume after. So guys, as you can see, we are almost through. It's 99%. Now, so I have not found any resource with any integrity violation. So I will end the scan for now. I have done the scan. So I've done the scan twice. That's why I haven't found the corrupted file this time round. but initially there was a lag, and that was the issue. So thanks for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.